So yeah, we launched brand new idle recommendations in Compute Optimizer last week. We're really excited about this because one of the things we saw in the 2024 State of the FinOps data report is that the number one activity by practitioners is still like waste cleanup and idle work. So we wanted to address this by taking all of the different idle use cases and pulling them all into one console experience in Compute Optimizer and Cost Optimization Hub to help all of the practitioners achieve that idle cleanup capability without going to multiple tools or different locations or places to aggregate like how much savings is there, how much effort is there, all in one AWS console UI. Our team's hope is that idle cleanup becomes one of those low-hanging fruit things that you can do directly in the console, and you can see the total economic benefit of your cleanup activities. You can see idle across multiple different resource types like EC2 or EBS. And ideally, we just make this a simplistic experience where you spend more time doing other things and not doing idle cleanup, right? And go down the stack a little bit further when we think about FinOps use cases or problems to go solve. We see engineers specifically typically use Compute Optimizer when they want to see utilization details and kind of dive deep into what recommendations exist. Whereas FinOps teams are more likely to use Cost Optimization Hub and look at the total amount of savings and break it down by tag or account type. So you can kind of summarize how much savings by organization boundaries. And so you can prioritize which savings opportunities are the most important to go after. Basically, like depending on how much savings there is versus difficulty of recommendations. And the engineering personas really want to see that utilization data to validate the idle resources really are things that can go clean up or not. And so we really think about both the engineering persona and the FinOps persona and build curated UI experiences for each of those two different personas. Part of the launch for idle is we launched support for idle EC2, EBS, RDS, Aurora, ECS tasks on Fargate, auto scaling groups. So it's a pretty expansive list of resources that we detect idle use cases for now. And we're really excited about that because it's in its own new UI console inside Compute Optimizer, showing you all of the idle resources all together in one screen. There's always more things coming. We love to launch pre-optimization features for our customers, right? So stay tuned. But we're excited about the idle use cases. And we love to hear from the practitioner bodies. What are those resources that you need help optimizing? How easy is it to take recommendations? How can we build product and capability to really help people action on those recommendations and get the benefit and the savings out of our products?
Hey everyone, producer Andrew here. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy sharing all of these amazing FinOps stories, best practices, and expertise. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave comments and questions for our speakers. Check out more FinOps content on our YouTube channel. We appreciate the support.